Xreal Air to display not detected. Quick fix. Welcome! Today we'll go through some quick fixes for the common issues of the Xreal Air 2 display not being detected. This guide will help you troubleshoot and get your headset working again. First, let's look at the most common causes. The issue often comes from a loose USB-C or adapter connection, outdated firmware or drivers, an incompatible device or incorrect settings, or even low or insufficient power supply. Our first step is checking connections. Make sure the USB-C cable is fully inserted. Try a different USB-C port if available, and always use the official Xreal adapter if needed. Many detection issues are solved at this step. Next, update and restart. Ensure your Xreal Air 2 firmware is up to date. Update your device operating system and drivers. Then restart both the headset and the connected device. Software issues are often resolved this way. Finally, test and seek support. Try connecting to another device to confirm if the issue is device-specific. Use the Xreal Novella app for built-in troubleshooting. And if the problem persists, contact Xreal support for professional help.